Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round, and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a bit. One command in the terminal and wait again. A few lines to appear so I know it's ready. I don't think I will enable ice curse yet. Some more lines I'm waiting for. Okay, I can then play whatever I want. Starting is ready. It runs in the browser, localhost for me. I think I reset my data, so I start fresh. Okay, this guy in the middle. First I have to choose a class. Let's take musician. Did I take square? Let's take square. The guy in the middle, it's assigns enemies, come close and then they attack me. Above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die, and if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. The goal is to get as far away as possible. I get stronger the more I kill, and my enemies get stronger the further away I am. And now, as a musician, I can play in place notes, and they do damage. Now I'm randomly placing some and see if it somewhat sounds like something. Should be very quiet on stream, but probably can be heard. I'm not sure. I do another square, which doubles the damage. I do multiply. I think speed is more helpful. I need a few more. Perhaps I probably want more frequent notes and okay. I'm not good at making music. Doesn't matter. My damage is too low, it seems. That's not what I wanted. A square only, damage over time. This should solve my damage problem a bit. My speed 3, okay, 50% more. Probably want even more. Okay. I could go to 5. Don't know if that's attention. So now I have a few more notes. I'm on C5. I shield. I can tank a bit more. I'm as fast as them. But if they are faster than me, then I might probably die. Other square. Square only I. Multiply should help. I cannot go further. Die most likely. The moment they're faster than me, I will die. So I farm some levels at the sides. Another square and slow on hit. Okay, this was missing. Should be somewhat safe. The frequency is a bit higher. Frequency of damage would be better to hit everyone with slow. But Tim, perfect. All in. Oh, another damage over time. Oof, dangerous. Go away. Perfect. 18k, 16 seconds and boss might. Close to the king area. Oh, hits the king. Oh, hits the boss. Correct. Dangerous. I survived. No. It's a damage over time. I expect the boss to die fast. Okay, I think damage over time build up. Okay, dead. Strange leg. Doesn't make sense. 2 million damage per second. Okay. This was 1-1. Let's check a bit. Damage meter over time and square. What's about white? Here it's doing half. Okay. Looking fine. Let's check achievements. I finished distance, killer king. Yes, I think they are correct. So everything is fine. Now what do I work on today? I didn't do this, but I can keep it here for next time. Increase version 329, I guess, yes. One number increase 1, 329 for today. And working on map modifier deactivated again. Let's enable it. And if I defeat the snowman, I want to remove the ice tiles. Ice curse changes tiles on player to I. Then I have to add the curse. I want just a simple change tiles to ice and a permanent ice or check ice curse on king. Okay. Target damage missing, tower line missing. Okay, I remember. Okay, let's first get my reload one. So I am on first version. Now I want to set up stuff. So I use spider. There you are. Close courses should be moved. I want to have these. I have my curse. Remember, I don't need to be immune. I'm here. Oh no, I have the musician. I always forget. That I don't have big enemies. Now I am here. I mean, this is my movement speed. This feels so slow. But can I see? Oh, confused. Ah, here's a change. I don't see. I could go bottom left if I hit it and then I reach it. Okay. If me lightning curse, it's fine. But when I kill it, oh no, I'm an idiot. Wanted to save, so now I did destroy it. Okay, one more time. Close curses. I can so this. Then I want close curses to be moved. And so now I need to die. The test triggers a save. So if I now reload, I have my cursed area here. Maze. Now I want move ice tiles when snowman dies. When snowman dies. Should have on this. Remove ice, correct. I would. How should I do it? I have a change tile function or something. I have this one. I don't use it for ice tiles, I guess, but let's quickly check why I needed it. It was a paint cache. Okay, I need to use it. Did I not use it? Because I change on generation, I don't need to changing while it's already generated, I need to use it. Okay. What are the values I use? String X, string Y, tile X, tile Y, new tile ID, game. So I unsure about the functions, but this is the chunk-specific tile x, tile y, not the complete. Guess let's verify chunk xy to map key, and yes, okay, what I expected. First I need the chunk I'm in. I don't know my chunk functions. Map key to chunk, paint map, create position to chunk xy. So I have the snowman position, also character, and state map. This could mean chunk xy, I guess. What is it? Position, okay. Now I have chunk xyx and chunk xy y. Now I need the tile x, tile y. Can I do position to chunk xy? Tile xy, okay. This might be the incorrect one. Yes, it gives me I1 modulo on it and I have what I want. Maybe I have a function for it. I don't think so. Let's assume I don't have it. Okay, let's position or chunk. No, it's tile xy or something. Map key and tile xy to position. Position to game map. Calculate pose. These sound similar. This is total. This is the same. Maybe I have duplicate function. Calculate pose to total tile xy. I think they are doing the same. Use this. Sync test. The other one was more efficient. This is in map, not in parsing. Interesting. Position divided by tile size gives me the total tile. And this one takes the position divided by chunk size. I have tile Y. Chunk length, start chunk. Okay, yes, I am running around in calculations. I should verify, I guess. Do they calculate the same thing? I guess yes. Let's verify. No. I comment this out. I hear my character. Yeah, game state map. Does this mean map and then position other way around? Character and console log and console log. I expect the same result. Debug sheets. All is probably the easiest one. And where is it's me? Yeah, this should immune. I forgot. Okay, 37, 37. They return the same thing. One is far more efficient. Okay, this function I will change to this will be chunk tile xy. So I will return tile x, tile y. Something is off. Why do I? Tile x is position divided by tile size modulo chunk length. And because I'm doing modulo, I have negatives. I need to add to it to the positive. Yes, I don't want negative values. Now I changed what it returns. I need to the other function now. Position in ZenMap. If I change this, does it matter? Doesn't matter. I don't know what will be these changes to this. So it will I have changed these. I want this to be changed. I did not import them yet. Okay. Now I hope no one is using this yet. This import, which is longer required. I am in parsing, but why am I in parsing? This doesn't make sense. Calculate post to chunk tile. Your path of map. Now I should be in map. Put it at the end. I exported functions. Nearly everything is exported, it seems. Export. Okay, just the last one is not. Map has an error. What did I break? Game map. Thing working. Seems like it. Now I have position to game map tile XY. I want this one. Const tile XY of chunk. Now I have this information. F tile XYX, tile XYY. New tile ID is tile. I want to put grass. It does not like it yet. Did I miss one? Yes, I missed the game. Okay, but missing for a second. This one tile should be the tile the snowman stands on. I now want to the entire maze? No. Only tiles. Get tile? Get map tile? This is by position. I think I have all the... no. What else do I have? Tile, def. So, tile, time, tick, project, tick. Word tile, please. Get map tile. Get tile. He was searches too unspecific. Okay, then it's get map tile, I guess. I have the position, but I want to check. This is inefficient. It. Unless I do it a few times. How can I do this in a circle? So I want to only change to grass if it's an ice tile. So I also need to check if the current tile is ice. I can do it with my if get map tile, put in the value. This is character game state map game state ID counter game, and if this is king layer name slide layer name, was it name? Isn't it an ID? This is a number. This is not a string. I'm confused. Hey, missing something. Get map tile. I get the chunk, I get tile values. Tiles, tile. Why did I do it like this? Get map tile is not what I want. Tile is just... This is a number, and if I get the chunk tiles xy, there should be a function for it. It's not interesting. I do a second one. Get map tile. If I get a tile, if it doesn't exist, I have to create it. If the positive modulus case here, for negative modulus, I need to make it positive. Then I to return this value. Chunk. When does this happen? They are positive and it does not exist. Okay. Get map tile. This is tile ID maybe. Let's to get a map tile D. I would copy most. I don't want a map tile, I want a number. I want to return this one. And if this does not happen, why did I return 0? Turn undefined, I guess. Or do I crash? Could crash. I could throw. It does not exist. Well, I'm unsure. I can move all this. Tile ID is this was map ID counter game is a thing, and if tile ID is not undefined, I return this, else I tile ID interesting, can no longer return something. Helpful in no, have no helpful information. I want to invalid chunk. Get map tile failed. And here's the position. X plus Y. There might be a lot of data in here, so let's just sort these two values. Okay, now I have get map tile ID. This is what I want. Map tile ID, if this is tile ID ice, then I would change it to something. Now I want this for like some area. how many steps? I start with minus something. Range, let's do 5, minus 5. Or no. Range. Or it's not range, it's radius. Might be better. No. Plus plus. I want J. J, and then want it to be circular, so no, not for if. Calculate distance from x is I, y is j, to x0, y0. This is smaller radius. Let's allow equal. I change the tile. Let's think for a moment. So this is a tile distance, tile radius. This tile radius. I get map tile. This is not the correct tile. Have to think for a moment. This is based on interesting. Here I'm calculating a lot of values a lot of times, but I don't care for now. I calculate distance. This, and I check if it's an ice tile. Now it's, I need one's position is x is based on character x plus I times map game state map tile size. Same for I and j. Maybe I should change I and j to x and y. I use this position. Maybe it works. Start in the negative. I have to s2, and let's try it out. Interesting. Spamming. It spams the entire time. Let's get some idea what is happening here. This is unexpected for me currently. I have a map tile position. This shouldn't fail. Tile ID is undefined. Let's go here. Go in there. I skip to. This is the interesting part, but let's step over stuff. Was this always for negative values? I get the chunk. I find the chunk. The chunk key is -1 for -160. I think this is correct. Now I have a y7. This looks fine. X is 3. This looks fine. Bigger 0. It's smaller 8. Smaller 8. Everything is fine. I don't return. I'm an idiot. Interesting. I made a mistake. This needs to be returned. Now, why did it work? Get map tile ID. So basically, this required at first blocking game tile position, touching line. What line? If I late. Darkness? Why is darkness calculating? It should be far away. Paint modifier late. Direction, max angle. So there's something strange with my painting. Or do I... what happened now? Okay. Send. Do I break? This feels like Chrome Vogue, not my game. So the console logs are gone, but they're still... I forgot I put out the invalid chunk here. So I don't need this one. But this is a backup, basically. Should not happen. Let's do it like this. I didn't put out. I'm still interested in tick ball again. Where is here is no. Do I want to see chat console? I don't know. I am not what I wanted, but oh, I can just roll over him. And he cleared. Was cursed directly. So as a wall, I can just roll over him. Maybe this is too easy, but let's accept it for now. Okay, so this cleared. This should make it easy enough. I can get the curse. I'm unlucky. But this is for all courses. I mean, if I see it the first time, later I will understand it. I think this is fine. So I remove ice tile when snowman dies, and I changed some code. Move some ice if snowman dies. If area was snowman dies. Okay, next is I need the ice curse. Let's close to the right. I have my curses here. How many lines? 79 versus a lot more. I think I will copy from Lightning. I have something simple. Rename. F2 is faster than scrolling down, I should remember. Curse ice. Rename to ice. Curse ice. Curse lightning. Curse ice. Tick interval last tick time. I can use it? No, the ice. Wait. Can I just add it as an ability? I'm unsure. I will find out later. I keep it like this for now. Copy, create, paint, reset, tick. They have all. Add curse lightning as curse ice. Create, tick interval type, color white. Reset, copy. Ice. Paint darkness. This is also not changed. So I copied from lightning, and lightning has still darkness in it. Do I have still another darkness? Doesn't look like it. Oh, it would search. No, match case. I don't care about match case. Okay. Paint ice and tick. Ice. Do the lowest tick time, strike delay. Then I create an object. Okay, I don't have tick. I have to think a bit. Curses work by. I have to react on curse increase. So I might need to have multiple options. I add the ability to the player abilities. I remember the ID, so I can increase it on curse increase. I mean, I need to tick regardless because I want to spawn ice fields. based on curse level. Okay. But what does it matter? Maybe for the clones? Maybe for bosses? I have Ice Aura, so I could create. I could add like Ice Aura. Let's try it. Ice Aura ID, Ice Aura ID reference question number. So I want to untick let's just use tick time if ice is this is undefined. And I will wait ability is or I could search if I have ability Ice Aura checked. Did I not have an Ice Aura on? I am confused. Let me search. Ice Aura. Wait ability Ice. Okay. Is someone using it? No, but this is Ice Aura should be more correct. And damage radius slow factor, I take it. Ability Ice Aura, now I can do it like this. Or do I wait ability? I could also use this one. Ability 9, ability Ice Aura. I have ID counter. ID counter is leveling. No, get no. Layer input binding, no. Okay. Const ability Ice Aura is this one. I say Ice Aura ref. Dref is ability Ice Aura ID and target abilities. Or do I have a function for it? Add ability I'm confused a bit. Why do I have the ability? Ah, these are not what I want. Okay. Character add ability, something like this. Don't think I have, so I will just push. It is push. It's ability Ice Aura. Okay, now I don't do strikes. I can remove this one. I need to something. I deleted something too much. Did I? That's tick time. Where do I? Yeah, okay. This is what I wanted to keep. Now I tick, I paint. What do I paint? Visualize fate timer. Paint text with outline, right? Curse level. Color is blue. I'm missing something. Tick interval is 1000. It will probably be fine. Curse eyes. Level 1. So currently all I do is add the Ice Aura ability if I don't have it. And I will need a level on it. Check it later. I have Curse Eyes, I didn't add it. Curses. Where do I? Yep. Now this curse exists. Didn't I need more? Feel like there was more behind it. Ability curse dark. Why did I have abilities? Was lightning, of course. I think I don't have it for snowman. Now I think I have linked some curse in here. I don't want lightning curse. Let's see where I get my error. Wait, object curse lightning curse ice doesn't exist. Create object curse lightning. Is it this one? Okay, now I understand. This is the ground effect. Take ability object, delete ability object, create ability, find ability object. Okay, then I create duplicate, rename to ice, ability curse ice. I have lightning. I don't think I need extra type for it, but keep it curse ice. Think again next tank tying. This could be simplified. So I just need ability object curse. I should check it. I hope I don't forget it. Name curse ice. Curse ice. It's also twice a name. I take the default objects. Wait, ability curse lightning. No, that's curse ice. Curse ice. Let's look if I see some more lightning. Yes. Curse ice. Let me think. something. So curse lightning is no longer in here, which is good. There was snowman. I didn't fix it, but now I should have an ice. I should. I mean, ice. Didn't I search for lightning? Okay. Ice. And I need to add it to curses. No, not to curses. Who calls these? Ability? Oh, the area boss has it. Okay. So the snowman would add it. Nice. Fine for me. Now I was wondering, I have Svench tick until the next tick time. Svench tick until the next tick time. Svench and tick. This is general type. Export type. Data object curse. No. Wait. I have it here. I'm confused. What do I'm adding? Oh, I didn't ability object curse. This exists, and I take these out. There's no problem. Where do I use this? Here it is just curse. So I can delete this. I can also delete this. This is just ability. Okay, simplified. I should do it for the others too. I don't care about this. I didn't have anything. Maybe ability curse is my... Does this exist? No. There's nothing special for curses. I can also delete this because there's nothing special. Check curse, import. This should be fine. And the same for darkness. Don't need these two. I forgot one was only ability. The other was curse. Okay, let's see. So now I curse eyes. I feel like there might be one more thing I forgot. I think it might be it. Okay, so curse eyes. The curse eyes exists. All it does is add the ability. Okay, let's find out. Reload. Immune, I am ball. There's a ball, I can just run through it. Now I have curse ice. It's no interesting. The ball and ice aura on different offsets, but because okay, but it is what it is. And now I do damage. So It worked for now. Now I want it to grow. So I had my onCursor increase. Needs a function for it. I think. Does Lightning use it? No, I copied from Lightning. Does Darkness use it? I do just take this one. I think it's not helpful. Other things. So it here. Curse increase, increase, curse increase, increased. This is the curse is increased. Cursed eyes. Eyes. I should have eyes point. Eyes our ID with. If is undefined. It does not exist yet, so I return. And find ability by ID. I have the turns the game. I know which character I need to search. Find ability. Find ability by ID. Okay. Let's see how find ability by ID works. Find ability and owner by ID. Find ability and owner and character by ID. Getting closer to what I want. Because I also search for pets, but with this I can tell me what you want. Character is. I have the character, I have the cross target. I have the nice aura ID. This gives me the. Does it return or undefined? Okay, it can also not find it. Ability eyes aura. Should this be? If ability eyes aura is not found, I return. And my ability. What? How did it work? I have my ability functions. Functions. No. Ability functions. There was something. Abilities functions. Okay. I have ability name ice aura. I have const ability functions. I have ability functions. Set ability to level. Something like this. I have ability ice aura and I have level is ice level. I want to try it. Oh, ability ice aura. Can this be? Oh, I missed something? No, it's voiding. Have a level? Why do you care? Okay, this might be possibly undefined. Let's check if this ability functions. If this function exists, I do it. Or I could do the other way around, I return if it doesn't exist. Now let's see what changes with the level. Not what I wanted. Ability eyes aura. That ability to level. Radius grows, slow factor, and damage grows. It's quite something. But I take it for now. Go to curse eyes again. I want these 2, 3. Is there no function for it? That ability to level. That ability to boss level exists. Let's import it. That ability to boss level. I want to check. This gets the function, checks as it exists, and to boss level, set upgrade to boss level. I don't remember the second part, but me think export function set ability to level. Does this exist? No, you would have complained. I get the functions, I check if it exists, and I call it, and it's done. Set ability to level, I check and do it this. I also need to check if this exists. Now I would be able to do this instead of the part after it. Let's level it. That is correct, there's not the ability behind it. And just to verify again, this is interesting that I didn't need to use it before. And I want to push. If I push it, I also want it to be set to it. Okay, I guess. Next try. It's my time. My time is decent. Now I should spawn a few bosses, so increase the curse. They are stuck in there. Okay, perfect. Reload. I want to die once. I now have wall. I can just wall it. Now it grows. 20, 21, 20. Okay. It's quite heavy. 6,000 damage. So I do damage to all. Interesting. Go here. Might okay, small enemies are done easily. What is I change the global alpha multiplier here, so I can no longer see my eyes over, but it's effective. Let me think. So it's not effective against bosses. I feel like the range is too hard. So I might have a scaling for... Oh no, what triggered the save? I'm unsure. Something triggered a save, I guess. Something triggered it. Then let's set up again. Those curses. Here's the spider, here's the spider. Wanted the cloud machine first. To the cloud machine. And now I have my thing back. I can die once. Maybe an achievement triggered the save? Unsure. So I increase start and die once. Now I have my eyes. I want custom scaling, so it's not set ability to level. So I need my own function. Function scale ability eyes for curse level. I have, let's say, my ability, just as our ability, and I have my level. No. Why do you not find it? I am ISO. Do I not export it? Space protease ability eyes. Export eyes or okay. I can use it. Too much stuff open. Here. Oh, I can import. Perfect. So I have eyes aura damage was fine level times 100. Eyes aura it was the other one, slow factor. Let's There's too much stuff. Close to the right. Close. I am interested in the ice aura. To see how I scale it. I have damage, radius, and slow factor. So I have damage, I copy it, radius, slow factor. I will halve it, I guess. I have no idea. I think 1 doesn't do anything. 10 level. I try this one. Well, it's also dependent on how large I grow it. Let's think about the radius. I don't want it to be like this. I want how did I do it? I want the area to scale. So I have, let's say, const area size should be level times 10, or like 100. So if my radius starts as 30. Now I need to calculate to const radius would be area size. What was formula? Circle area was, what was it? Was it mass point pi times radius times 2 or something? Circle area radius squared pi radius squared, oh not radius, okay, radius and radius. Okay, and if I want to, if I have the area and I want the radius, I divide by mass point pi. Radius is very, it's nothing, is pi divided by, no, area divided by pi and then square root. I guess this is it. So radius is area size divided by mass point pi and mass square root. Okay, this is, I hope I didn't do anything incorrect. Maybe 100 is not big enough. So let's start with level 1. It would be 100. 100 divided by pi should be around 30. And square root of 30 would be 9 or something. So let's go with 1000 and see. So, and let's check. Size I don't have, but if I have 1000, I start with 17. It's still too small. 2000, 3000, 3000 is 30. 3000 is about what I started with. Now if I go to 6000 for level 2, Or if I go to 12,000, okay, I think this might be fine. I don't call it yet. So I will no longer this function, but I will, doesn't know it's an either or. It has to be. Also not, and ability and owner. Ability and owner. Have it, then const is or is the ability and owner. Ability is or now I have it. I throw it in. Thank you. Now I scale it on. Yeah, you will complain. As ability is or I have the different scaling in. Mute for a second. Take the ball. Just need to this. Now I have my base level curse growing. It might be fine. I have curse 43. Maybe I one more change. This is 3000 plus. So I start with 30, then I do 2000. So I start with 5000. I start with 4000. And if I have 100, I will a lot of slow. Okay. Now stay out. 4300. The damage is not the greatest. I want. What do I have on types? Let's go. I want to see the slow amount. They die instantly. I can barely not see it. So it slows enough. I would say. For 43 curses is fine. Now let's. Might have triggered something again. Let's see if my curse still exists. No, it's gone. An achievement. This means I want close curse again. Move a lot of experience. I should search the spider first. Kill it. Thank you. Kill the chain. Thank you. Die. Thank you. I need. Again, this one, I want this to be as big as possible, so I will spawn getting laggy, so I will start. More ice with every reset. This is in here. And okay, maybe I have enough. Slide. Died. Now I have a lot of ball. I'm still immune. This is too fast, probably. Okay, this is what I wanted to see. Go in here. I didn't. Did I die? I don't remember. But now I'm interested in how big it grows. I triggered the start, but doesn't matter. Let's make myself very tanky, so I'm sure I survive. Maybe I should increase the speed by which it absorbs the curse. Doesn't matter now. So it keeps going. I think it's fine. And with 60, I think maybe 200 will be my level. Okay, 183. I am interested in how much it slows, so let's... They already survive. Okay, this slows a bunch. So this is fine. Probably again triggered something. I think damage is low, but the curse is not that hard. It's helpful. And I want... Okay, this will also be used for enemies. What's my time? I still have half an hour around. Think a bit. I guess. This is fine. I would need to change the damage for enemies. Let's say it's an infection string. If infection is infection player, I do this. Else I would do 10 as a base. So level 10 would be 100. Level 100 would be 1000, which is fine. I take it. I think this is fine. Now I have two errors. Why? because I want the faction. Curse target faction. And I have second. Have target faction. Okay. I think the first part is done. Create ice curse ice. Commit and no tiles on the player. This is what I did, the permanent ice aura. And now I check I check. Change of tiles. This shouldn't be too hard. No, ice aura I no longer care. I only have the curse ice and I tick. And here I should based on cursed strength, I change tiles. I have the snowman as an example. Snowman on this. Something like this. I go to curse ice function, change tile to ice. Something like this. Import. Let's make. I have my position. I have. So where I let's say I have the radius number. This will be, let's say, divided by game state. I corrected it correctly. Tile size. I want calculate distance. I think I Floyd. So my indexing, do I do indexing? Position. My plus wouldn't work. +1. So flooring it, I think, is better. Position I have now 2 times. Let's say center position. Center position is this one. Why does he care for this now? Position. XY. Calculate XY. Junk. So I first don't care for tile. I care for grass. And I care for change it to ice. So now I would change every tile. How should I do it? I don't want change this to X and this to Y. I basically now want to center position radius a number, a count a number. So I will do 4. Do I do 4? Let's do it for I equals 0, I smaller counter, I plus plus. So I do it this times. Now I need to somehow get a random function. Didn't I get a random point in the circle? Okay, let's random game state random seed. So I get 2 random values. I think for a second. I think the size of the second is based on the first. Then it would be not. Probably just cut it off. So I get 2 random values. If the random distance is too far away, don't do it. This would be tile radius. Tile radius, and I floor it. Start floor. No, it's too far away. Don't do it. Else I take the position. I get the tile. If it's grass, I change it and done. Change tile, change random tile twice, change random tiles. Okay. Now I do this, which is center position is the target. Radius is interesting. Ability ice aura radius. I base it on this one. Counter is ice level. Let's seal it. Ice level divided by 10, let's say. And game. So on level 1 to 9, no, 1 to 10, it's 1 every second, and 100 it would be 10. With 10 it fills up pretty fast. Now I have, because it's sometimes outside, doesn't trigger every time. I guess this could work. I failed. This is here. And now I do not have the ice aura. Would put the radius here, so I don't need to search it. Radius number. I start with 0. I have ice aura level faction. I don't have. Then I do the curse 2. Curse ice. I put the ice here. Then I would also curse radius is equals ice aura radius. Now I would know the radius, the curse, so I have ice now has the radius. And here I need to put in the curse 2. I want ice. Okay. I guess I check. I still have him? No, I need to set it up again. Close curses, remove. Kill the spider again, somewhere here. Take a few seconds till I can kill it. Kill Cloud Machine. Start. Should have this. Is this. I need to spawn bosses. So it grows. Let's do it until I see some ice patches here. For the moment, trigger save again. I go in. I can just. Interesting. Okay, now I go in. And tiles turn to ice. Okay, now it gets it. Okay, now I absorbed it. And it changes tiles to ice. This works fine. Not always, but what I want. Let's go in a different direction. Be very tanky for the moment. See if should be sliding. It's hard to see, but they slide. Best. I'm in. Now I want. Slowly turning the area to ice. The boss and myself will have problems. So it's helpful. At the same time annoying, which is it. No, I cannot die, and it's already saved. But how's my time? 10 minutes. I guess this is working like I want to. There is again a lot of cases I need to check. For other classes, this will be so dangerous. As a ball, I can just negate the effect completely. Maybe even the ball shouldn't be able to turn on ice. I still can check something. So I cannot stop here if I'm, yeah, okay. This. Stuck. Yeah, oh, but in the corner it's, okay, here I see it very slightly. So I guess the might be fine. Curse ice change those tiles to ice. Commit. Yeah, now let's clean up. Oh, curse ice. Yes, this is the case. I think it's fine. Check ice curse on king, ice modifier. Is there some more? Think about other cases. Ah, there are some things I need to verify. As ice aura is added as ability, does this create duplicate ice auras? Is there a case? I can put. No, I cannot put legendaries away, can I? Kill endgame state. I take it. I have to restart. Okay, so no problem. I think I take it. I have the curse. Cannot have it again. Should just go stronger, I guess. I could. What happens if I get cursed and then pick up a legendary? Curse. It's a case I did not check. Next time, check ice curse on king. This might be. I probably will need new ones. So ice aura is now effectively working in a I can edit, keep it edit version. So in my case, this means I would expect all test ones to fail. Every single one. Oh? There's the first. And I want the maze difficulty to be removed. They all fail, yes. Something to learn from it. I could repair. Short retry works. Why does short retry work? start test, but let's fire ice. I create a maze and create maze. Okay. Let's do this. I do everything: sniper, builder, tamer, ball, and musician, and so all I can choose whatever. I can disable them for the time being, maybe. Tests. So I think short king is currently the one which takes a lot of time. The short ones, fine. Test replace. Let's see it one more time. I wanted to remove the maze difficulty. Modify ice. Console log. Yes, this maze difficulty is deleted. False, false. It's very interesting. Takes a while until he starts. But he died. The ball is always the most likely to survive, because oh no, the moment I get upgrades it falls apart. Yes, he got to the end boss but died. So everything so false, 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 false. Everything is broken. Should come to an end for today. Did some don't know. This was just remove console log basically. Console log. Move console log. I need more tests, so new short tests. Test replace, new short test replace. I need to check a few cases and then I have some cleanup, and after this I probably, I can clean up here. Yes, more difficult movement, yes, player cursor, yes, I did. Snowman, puzzle boss, you have to find a way to, yes, protect, yes. And so ice modifiers done. Wind or rain? Can have a boss enemy in the middle, can be to modify in this area, be able to swim. Okay, I take it like this. Makes the game fun. Okay, so I want one more modifier. I'm not sure yet. Wind is pushes characters. Don't know how to use it. Next short. Okay, but I guess I can push it. There's a few things to check next time. Then I need to think about what I want to do next, and if I have my force map modifier, I guess. Have to do a bit thinking again what I do, but I have one able to cleanse bad part, of course. Okay, this is a bigger part. Can think about this one. This, I guess, I pushed. I have my notes updated and here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.